What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. I am working on my Porsche 996 Turbo today. The winter has come and the weather has plummeted. If you've had any underlying issues in your vehicles that weren't showing up during the summer, once the weather drops or the temperature drops, stuff like pulleys and power steering, etc., will start to make noise. So what I've discovered on my 996, of course, another issue, the tensioner pulley and possibly other pulleys have given way and the car started making terrible noise. So I'm going to take the air box out, and I'm going to take everything out of there in the engine compartment and start changing the pulleys and the drive belt, and we'll assess everything else in there. So let's get to work. Here is the kit that I got from FCP Euro, and I am not sponsored by them. I'll show you guys the part numbers and which parts I got. So here is a drive belt idler, part number right there, 996-115-015-76894. That is this guy right here, and it comes with the hardware. Got your drive belt, multi-V belt. And it is, let's see, part number 6, it's just a 6PK2885, I guess. And then we got the drive belt tensioner roller, 996-115-016-72219. We have drive belt idler roller, 996-115-015-76894, which is the same as this. I'm assuming that we need two, or they gave me an extra one. I don't know, we'll see. Also came with hardware. Then we got this guy, the drive belt tensioner, 996-115-22172. So FCP, if any of you guys are watching this, if you guys want to work together, give me a holler. So I'm going to start off by removing the air box. We got a 14 right here, and this is not a factory one, so if you have a factory air box, it'll look different than this, but we'll pop this guy out, and then I'll see if I need to remove this throttle body duct. If I do, not that big of a deal, but a few hoses here, and then that sensor there, and some quick releases, and that'll be out of the way. I don't think we need to raise or lower the engine at all, so let's get to work. Bolt tray here. And get a flathead over there. Gotta get to this guy here. And get a flathead. Could have used the Phillips as well. That's 16. It's a 15. Odd Porsche number. Alright guys, here we have our artwork. Now we can resume and take apart the pulleys and take off the tension. Okay. With the tension on, you can slide the belt off. I don't know how the hell I'm gonna get it back on, but that's for another day, I guess. They are 13s, my friends. Got one. This guy will slide off. That'll give us some room. That is a 15. Bearing's bad. Bearing is bad, and it had some weird. I don't know what the hell this is on there. Kind of metal. Somebody welded something on there. But so even though I can loosen this bolt, this carrier bar's in the way. Second one is out. You hear that? Listen. That was the main culprit. And what I did was gently use a giant pry bar. There's a screw down on the main harmonic balancer. Pry that back. That'll allow you to loosen this all the way. It's aluminum, so just be careful not to damage it. And then I was able to wiggle it out that way. Some people have unscrewed this, which is a lot more work, but I'm glad that I'm doing this because this thing is donezo. So yeah, let's get to this last one, and this one's donezo too. So the engine should sound a lot quieter, less groanier. Okay, so got you the 24 wrench and put the 15 in the back there. And the reason for that is I think somebody broke the center bolt off inside here, and I couldn't get it to budge. But it is a bit frustrating. But it is going now. Spacer here. All right. I guess that's just how you, the regular way of removing it. Let me see if I could show you guys this. This one was also bad. Not as bad as the other ones, but still bad. Cool. Well, now we could start replacing all. All right, so I'm putting some thread locker on there. I fed my belt on that pulley and on the big, on the main crankshaft. And I'll go ahead and put my new pulley on. Now, the washer goes on the back, this goes to the front, this washer goes here, seal that. So it's like this, and just gotta slide it in here and not lose any of this stuff, like so. Okay, before I tighten it, let me double check the pulley orientation here, or the belt orientation. That. There we go. All right, should be good. All right, here's the next pulley. The screw goes like this, feeds through this. Then there's a rubber O-ring. Oh, sorry, I put that on backwards. This goes in this way. Then rubber O-ring. I'm assuming we'll just get crushed all the way back there. Anyway, let's go ahead and feed this guy here. Screws in place. Click. All right, on to the third one. A little bit of Loctite there. And click. It's done. So let's go ahead and put this guy back on. Okay. Put some Loctite on them. 3 screws. So it needs to go over like so. go put it. Okay, got it like this. Boom, boom. Got it up here. Down there. It's lined up. All right, everything is together. Show you guys. All the pulleys are tightened, Loctite is on. Belt is checked for position. Now we can go ahead and reinstall our air box. And we will be good to go. Air box. It's a bit finicky, but we'll get it, guys. There we go. Click, and the one right here. Click. And that is all she wrote. Victory. Let's fire her up and listen to see if our problem is solved. Fingers crossed it is, because I am tired of always having to fix something, but that's the name of the game. Gotta pay to play, as they say. So, be it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video as much as I did. If you did, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe if you're not a subscriber, and I'll catch you on the next one.